prepping, getting ready to put the sound deadening mat in. Key part is getting the surface clean, so we're gonna go through the long process of that. The bed liner doesn't make it any easier. So that's what the goal is now. So get it all cleaned up, squeaky clean. Try to get that brand new car smell rocking. Alright, got it all cleaned down. Keep in mind it's a bed liner, so let's get that. There is some overspray that's dried on it that's not coming white to touch, so it'll be fine. But we got a long ways to go. It's gonna be about, oh man, 100 square feet. It's gonna be a lot of mat, because I got to do the whole entire roof as well. This wagon. So I'm doing the whole roof, the whole entire floors. I'm gonna hold off on doing the inside of those panels right now, just in case I decide to do any minor body work. I gotta make that decision, because right now I got access to the metal, obviously, to hammer and dolly. I'm gonna go over that and make that decision before I put the mat in there. Same thing on that side. So, yep, next step, I'm gonna start on the mat. Oceans of violets and blue, animals strike curious poses. Feel the heat between me and you. And you just leave me standing alone in a world so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Just like my father too. Oh, baby, I'm just like my mother. She never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? 'Cause this is what it sounds like when doves cry. Trembles inside. You got the butterflies all tied up. Don't make me chase you. Even doves have cried out when you just leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Baby, it's all done. All the way back corners, whole thing done. Next up, carpet, and I still have to do the roof. I gotta order probably another 2 boxes Probably need a box and a half, but we'll use the extra for the doors and the rear panels.